Hello students, welcome to online English learning class with Manju Sharma. Today we will do the first chapter, 3 Questions by Leo Tolstoy, with a message that we should live our present wholeheartedly and do good to others. Now let's know about the author. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian novelist, essayist, playwright, and short story writer who wrote classics such as War and Peace. He is considered to be one of the greatest novelists of all time. He received multiple nominations for Nobel Prize in Literature every year from 1902 to 1906. Now, let's start our story. This is the story of a king who once thought that if he knew three things, he would never fail in life. The three things that he wanted to know were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? And what is the most important thing for him to do? So he called all the wise people in his court to get the answer. To his first question, some suggested to follow a timetable or to set his work on priority basis. To his second question, they said either to appoint a council of wise men or magicians who could look into the future and take quick decisions. To third question also, they gave various answers. The king got confused and decided to take advice of a hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. He lived in wood and saw only simple people. So the king went there in simple clothes. That time, hermit was digging in front of his hut. He was old and weak. The king asked his three questions to the hermit. How can I learn to do the right thing? Who are the people I need most? What affairs are the most important? The hermit didn't respond. Then the king offered him to help him in digging. The king continued digging the ground till dark and asked if he had no answer, should he have gone to home? The hermit pointed to a bearded man running towards them. He was wounded and bleeding. The king and the hermit went closer to him, but he fainted on the ground. They carried him inside the hut, led him on the bed, and dressed his wound. The tired and exhausted king also lay down on the floor. The next day, when they woke up, the bearded man revealed to the king that he was the one of the enemies of the king who swore revenge on him because the king had put his brother to death and seized his property. He knew that the king had come to the hermit, but his bodyguard wounded him. But at last the bearded man felt sorry for all that happened, as the king saved his life. They became good friends. In this way, king was happy to defeat his enemy with peace and promised him to give his property back. The king went to hermit and begged him to answer his questions. The wise man said that he had already been answered. If he had not took pity on him and dug the ground, he would have been injured. At that time, he was the right person to be with, and helping him was the right affair. When he dressed the bearded man, he was the right person to be with, and the most important affair was to help him. So, dear king, the most important time is now when we have power to act. The most important person to be with is the person who is with you at that particular moment. The most important affair is to do good to. Dear students, you must have noticed that we too have some questions in our mind about what, when, and with whom. So now I think you also got your answer. So never be confused in your life. Only one success mantra of life is live present fully and do good to others. I hope you understood this chapter very well. Thank you and have a nice day.